Today's book is Belches, Burps, and Farts, oh my, by Artie Bennett and Pranas Naujokaitis. On these pages, we'll explore some body sounds you can't ignore. It's a book about burps and farts. It's hilarious, and you actually learn a lot while you're reading it. The text is full of humor and goofiness, but there's a lot of factual nuggets about your body. We learn about which animals fart the most and which can't fart at all. We learn when it's appropriate to belch and how a fart is made. When you're done giggling your way through this book, if you still want to know more, there's a wonderful section in the back that gives you even more facts about belches and farts. We already know I am a big fan of Artie Bennett's. He wrote Peter Panda Melts Down, but I also love Pranas Naujokaitis' really bright, colorful, funny illustrations. They are comic style and have a real punch to them, but they have these wonderful hidden little details if you look. They're just so much fun. I hope you guys laugh along with this book as much as I have. I'll link it up in the description down below, and while you're there, I hope you hit the subscribe button so I can see you next time. Thanks very much. Bye.